Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix number issues in Excel. So first method is you can convert numbers stored as a text to real numbers. To do that, first you need to select the empty cell, then after you need to type equal and value brackets, then you need to select your cell, the first cell, the issue is happened, then after you can close the bracket and hit enter. Now it is converted into the numbers. So now you need to do is go to the first cell again, then after you can see there is a small green square here. Mouse over and just drag and drop to all the way bottom. So you can see now it is added. So you can do the same thing to again go to an next cell, then after you need to type equal value and open the bracket and select the first item, close the bracket and hit enter, and again you can drag and drop all the way to down. So you can now it is converted into the numbers. So this is the first method. If it is not working, you can check and correct the cell formatting. To do that, you need to right click on the issue happened cell, then after go to format cells. You need to select either general or number. It's depend on you. So if you don't need the decimal places, you can simply delete that one using this one. So you can use the 1000 separator comma, or if it is don't need, so you can untick like this, then after tap on OK. So now it is converted into the numbers. If you experiencing regional separator issues like commas and dots, so you need to press Ctrl and H to go to the find and replace. Ctrl and H. Now it is open the find and replace menu. Before that you had that kind of number. So as an example, I like to go to this tab and right click on it, go to format cells and go to numbers, and I like to use the 1000 separator. So like this, tap on OK. So you need to remove this comma line from this number because your currency format is another one. So what you need to do is press Ctrl plus H again, and you need to find the comma because we need to remove that one, replace it nothing. So tap on replace. Okay, at that kind of scenario it is not working find and replace, so you need to right click and go to format cells and remove the 1000 separator like this, and remove the decimal places also. So now it will came back to the normal format. And the next method is you can use text to column wizard to convert text into the numbers. To do that, you need to select the affected number range, then after go to the data tab, click text and columns. It is right here, tap on text to columns. Okay, it says it only can convert one column only at one time. So you can select the one column only for this time, then after go to text to columns, select the delimited option, then after go to next, deselect all the delimiters like this, then after tap on next. In the column data format, you need to select the general option, then after tap on finish. This will convert text format numbers into the real numbers. And the next method is you can clear conditional formatting if display issues persist. So first you need to select the problematic cells, go to the home tab, go to the conditional formatting option, select clear rules and clear rules from the selected cells. Okay, this will clear the conditional formatting if it is enabled. So the next method is you can adjust the column width for display problems. If your cell shows this kind of hash signs, so that can be issues of the width of the display problems. To do that, at that kind of scenario, you can select the column that you experience in this kind of issue. As an example, if you have issue in this kind of column, you can select the column. Then after, you can see when you come to this section, your mouse cursor will display like this. Then after, you can increase the width of the cell. Then that kind of number will be show as a number. And the final method is fix the number errors in the formulas. Check the input values are valid and within the allowed ranges for iterative functions like IRR or rate. So you need to go to the file option, then go to options and go to formulas tab. Under the calculation options, check enable iterative calculation. Set the maximum iterations as 100, maximum change as 0.001. Tap on OK. So these are the methods you can try to fix the number issues in the Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video.